Welcome back to the Productivity Podcast, where I give you a daily productivity tip so you can get the most out of your time, your talent, and your ideas. I'm your host, Brandon White. Here we go. Have you ever left having coffee or lunch with someone or come back from a run, bike ride, or yoga session and said to yourself, man, that made me feel good. I've got all the motivation and energy in the world. It literally woke up that light inside you. When was the last time you took inventory of the people and things that made you feel that good? And then put time on your schedule for those people and things to get a regular dose of that energy and positivity. If meetings with these people or activities aren't on your calendar right now, here are 3 tips on how to take a minute to make them happen for yourself more often. Number 1, literally skim through your text messages or contact list on your phone right after this episode and think of which people have provided you with the most energy after you had that coffee, lunch, or done something with them. Number 2, look back through your calendar and see who you've met with. Which meetings gave you the most energy, motivation, happiness, and drive afterwards? And number 3, reflect on when you had the most energy. What were you doing immediately beforehand? Were you working out, walking your dog, meditating, spending time with a loved one, something else? As a good friend of mine, John, says about things like this is one of those ideas that's a blinding flash of the obvious in hindsight, but one of those things you don't think about or get lost in the daily hustle because of all the things you have coming at you. Ferris Bueller said it best. Life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop and take a look around once in a while, you could miss it. Go over these 3 tips and schedule some time with the people and things that boost your mood and energy, and you'll not only boost your productivity, you'll feel so much better. Your move. Hey, thanks so much for listening to the show. Please make sure to click the follow button on your podcast app so you never miss a new episode of the show, and of course it's free. And don't forget to sign up for my free newsletter at brandoncwhite.com. We'll see you in the next episode.